Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Wednesday, May 13th. What's going on today from Forex Factory calendar? You can see that at 8:30 we had some red items, core PPI month over month and PPI month over month, both of which were horrible, absolutely dreadful. Core PPI was 1% versus a expected of 0.3. That's a gigantic miss. The month over month was 1.4 versus a 0.5%. Now, these are on a month by month basis. And when you extrapolate this out to a year by year, this is even worse. So inflation is really coming into play when it comes to producers price index. This is the first step of what's going to be an extra high CPI PCE going in now that we start to have the filter through from all of the prices that have been going up recently. What else have we got going on? At 10:30 we have crude oil inventories. At 11:30 we have FOMC member Collins speaking. At 1:01 we have the 30-year bond auction. At 1:15 FOMC member Kashkari speaks. And then tentatively, we have the Fed chair nomination vote, which is expected to pass. That's it for the day. So relatively light news, except for those big red items. Yes. So this is basically screaming that inflation's coming back in, and that the side effect of that is the Fed is not going to reduce interest rates, no matter who the new Fed chair is, or if he is nominated. It will make no difference. With inflation screaming like this, no reduction of interest rates. Moving on, looking at the daily chart, you can see we had a big down day yesterday, which initially looked like it was going to be a healthy retracement, but then midday they decided to start rallying it back. I think it's a dead cat bounce, or a bear rally. That's at the end of the day trying to make things look better than what it really is. I think it's going to get ugly. Decent volume above average, but still, this whole story is that these numbers are not being sustained by heavy volume above the moving averages, so you have to take it for what it is. What are we doing? What's the market doing? It's going up. What's the condition? Up. Yes, that was a pause for effect. Up. Yeah, even though as badly as I'd love to see this thing turn over and retrace, it is going up. So medium term up, long term up, short term up. Yes, it is. Moving on. Looking at the inventory. Inventory is even, although it was correlated yesterday, it'll be the third day in a row of negative inventory. So it certainly does look like there is a migration of some sorts to the sidelines. Whether or not that's going to hold or not, we'll have to wait and see. There's the PPI spike right there. And the market did not like that PPI number. And this could be a catalyst that could give us some downward pressure. We'll just have to wait and see. Taking a look at the overnight action, approximately 44 points, well above average, about twice average. Nothing that has not been able to be normal or as normal as it has been the last 6 weeks or so. 44 is really nothing, but it is still 2 times average, so you should pay attention. In nosebleed area up here at all-time highs, where we have resistance, there's a little bit of resistance around 74.52, 74.80. You have to go way up high, 75.45 to find anything. Remember, this is using Fibonacci extensions and market geometry. Support, we do have some decent support. 74.10, 73.93. Then we get down to some older support, not much older, but some. 73.67, 73.55, 73.48, 73.20. Yeah, it is what it is. Stock Traders Almanac for today, extremely bearish. 20.6, 28.6, the probability the market will be up. Flip that over, and you have a 72% chance the market's going to go down. So very bearish from the Stock Traders Almanac. We'll have to see how all that works out. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading, and remember to subscribe and like. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels and trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.